Hey friends! Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun stories. Once upon a time, in a quiet village by the sea, there lived a girl named Lily. Lily loved the ocean so much that every day she would sit on the beach and listen to the waves. She dreamed of one day finding the secrets hidden deep beneath the water. One day, a big storm hit the ocean. The villagers said that the ocean's special pearl had gone missing. This pearl gave life to all the sea creatures, and without it, the ocean had become quiet and sad. Lily decided she would find the pearl. With an old map her mother gave her, she set off to find the underwater cave where the pearl was hidden. Her best friend, a dolphin named Splash, went with her. Together, they swam through the waves into the deep ocean. Under the sea, they saw colorful fish, bright corals, and amazing creatures. But finding the pearl was not going to be easy. They had to solve tricky puzzles to get to the cave. With their clever thinking and friendship, they made it through each challenge. Finally, they reached the deepest part of the cave. Inside a big shell, they saw the pearl, but it wasn't glowing. Lily gently picked it up and held it in her hands. Suddenly, the pearl began to shine. The ocean came back to life, fish were swimming happily, and the corals were glowing again. Lily put the pearl back in its special place, and the sea became peaceful once more. When Lily returned to her village, everyone cheered. Lily wasn't just a girl from the village anymore, she was the hero of the ocean. If you enjoyed the story, remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss more magical tales.